Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Honda Civic, 1996 to 2000? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse boxes in 2001 to 2005 Honda Civics contains low amperage fuses that protect interior electrical components like power windows, radio, interior lights, and the HVAC system. Each fuse is clearly labeled for easy troubleshooting. The layout is user-friendly, aiding quick identification and replacement. It also includes spare fuses and a fuse puller for convenience. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse boxes in a 2001 to 2005 Honda Civic houses high amperage fuses that protect critical systems such as the ABS, cooling fan, ignition, and ECU. It includes main fuses and relays essential for engine and electrical system operation. The box is designed for easy access and labeled for straightforward identification. It also provides weather-resistant protection to ensure durability under hood conditions. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement, Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.